Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drone tour of the Southern Coastal Highway project. This highway is under construction, as you can see, and this is a highway that's going to run from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. So it's going to go through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway with the concrete barricade in the middle in some sections, and in some sections it's going to be 2 lanes. So the highway from Harborview to Port Antonio is going to be 110 kilometers long. So the section we're looking at now is the section by the Suncoast Adventure Park. So the highway is being built in phases. So phase 1A is from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. And this section that we're looking at is a part of section 1A. So from 11 miles in Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road was built over the hill for the highway. So that's what we're looking at now, is the new road that was built over the hill. So you can see the dug down the hill, you can see the side there, and this is the Suncoast Adventure Park area. So right there you can see that they went through the hill to build the highway. Alright, just to give you some more information on this section, from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to incorporate the existing roadway. That's the roadway there. And from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the 2 lanes that were the original main road are going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. Then from 11 miles in Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park, where we are now, the highway is going to go over the hill. So it will no longer use the existing roadway. And then this section we're looking at now is from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights. The highway is going to take a new alignment. It will no longer run along the main road. It's going to go over the hill. So at the beginning of the video, that was the road we were looking at. The new road that's being built over the hill from 11 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, it will run along the existing main road, which is the road you're looking at straight ahead. The existing 2 lanes were upgraded to 4 lanes, and that's what you're looking at straight ahead. We're going to zoom in so you can get a better view. There you go. And then from Albion Heights to just outside Grants-Pen, the road is going to go over the hill again. It won't run along the existing main road. And then from just on the outskirts of Grants-Pen to the Yallus Bridge, it's going to run along the existing roadway. So it's safe to say this part of Jamaica has never seen roads like this before. And okay, you see this now where the main road is? That road is going to be closed because the highway is going to go straight across. You see the concrete barricades there? It's just that it's still under construction, so they haven't blocked off the main road yet. But it's going to go straight across this road we're looking at to be one continuous road. Now this is the section that we're looking at that was built over the hill or through the hill. There it is. So where you see that concrete barricade, or the Jersey barrier as it's called, will line up to the Jersey barrier that we saw on the other side of the road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. You can enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.